Myth number five, work-life balance is about time off from work. Now, if you're an employee, you might think that that's the only thing that's pertinent for work-life balance. And certainly there is a little bit of a mindset out there that says like, oh, if I have some time off, that'll fix everything. But your time off is actually part of a larger strategy. And if your work-life balance is out, you may find that your time off from work is all about recovering from all of the expenditure that you have given out of energy in the time that you've been at work. And you're not looking big picture if that's the situation that you keep finding yourself in. So there needs to be a little bit more strategy there around what is it that my work-life balance is trying to achieve for me. And as I mentioned at the beginning, there's stuff there around wellness and around what is it that is going to keep me doing well so that I can meet the responsibilities and expectations and enjoy the relationships that I have in all spheres of my life, work, personal life, and anywhere else that I choose to be involved. So time off is good. I'm not saying that it's not important. I'm saying that it is not the only piece of the work-life balance equation. And by all means, plan for that and make sure that you have the time off from work on as often as you need it and to the level that you need it. But it needs to be embedded in a much bigger picture. You're welcome to reach out to me and to just find out if I'm the right person to help you to find your work-life balance or to regain a work-life balance that's been lost. Now, one of the things that I'm doing is running a 10-week group program where there is a 10 weeks for us to kind of work through together some of the issues around work-life balance and wrestle with that. What does it actually look like? How can we do that? And to practice putting things in place and having not just accountability but support along that process of establishing new patterns or better patterns. So that's an option. The next one is going to be starting in July, the end of July 2025, and if you're interested in that, there are a few weeks left to go and find out a little bit more about that. If a group program is not something that interests you, I can also do one-on-one coaching, and the one-on-one coaching gives people an opportunity to talk in depth about what's going on in their situation and explore what is working and what is not working, and develop a strategic approach to work-life balance. So my website address is there. You can contact me through the website, and I will also include a calendar link in the chat and also in the notes when I upload this recording on YouTube. So that will give you opportunities to be able to connect with me. So if that's something that would be of use to you, please reach out, and I'm happy to have the conversation and to explore what it is that we might be able to do together.